unlocking Porsche VAG SFD gateway and cluster with Keydiy KD-X4. Hey everyone, Hussein here, and I welcome you to Baabji Motors, the place where real automobile diagnostic knowledge gets shared in a simple, friendly way. Before we dive in, a quick and important note. Everything you are about to hear is purely for education and information. All examples, descriptions, and references follow fair use guidelines, and every brand or trademark mentioned belongs to its respective owner. Always follow your manufacturer instructions and your local laws when working on vehicles. Now that we are clear, let us jump in. Today we are talking about something every technician runs into with modern VAG and Porsche models on the MLB platform, especially models like the A4, A5, A6, A7, A, Q5, Q7, and Q8 built from around 2020 onward. These cars come with the SFD security gateway, which blocks coding, adaptations, and many immobilizer functions unless you unlock it. Without unlocking, you simply cannot perform key programming because the gateway and cluster will not let you access protected areas. Now here is the question I want you to think about. Can the Keydiy KD-X4 really unlock the SFD gateway and the SFD cluster so you can learn a fresh MLB key on a 2023 or 2024 Porsche or any VAG model? Stick with me till the end, because not only will I tell you the answer, I will also share one extra tip that most technicians never mention. And to keep things fun, let me promise you one small joke later on. After all, if car diagnostics were always serious, our OBD ports would start asking for coffee breaks. So let us break it down in a smooth, simple way. For modern VAG and Porsche vehicles, the SFD gateway acts like a digital security guard. It blocks key learning functions because key programming involves adaptations and coding inside modules like the immobilizer, the gateway, and central electrics. Since these modules are protected, you need to unlock them before doing any programming. Now to the real question. Does the Keydiy KD-X4 support unlocking SFD for key learning? The answer is yes. Keydiy does allow you to unlock the SFD gateway and the SFD instrument cluster. But there is one condition. You need an unlock token, and these tokens come from a third party. Think of it like trying to enter a party guarded by a bouncer. Keydiy is the invitation, but the token is the special stamp on your hand. No stamp, no entry. Here is how the process works step by step. When you open the IMMO Programming menu on the KD-X4, you choose Porsche or VAG, then select MLB Immobilizer System, and start execution. From there, you tap on SFD Unlock and begin by unlocking the gateway first. The device will fetch and show you the VIN number of the gateway. You must send this gateway VIN to a third party who calculates the SFD token for you. Keydiy even recommends a contact on WeChat named Gecko12345 for getting these unlocked tokens. But you can also get the token through an online GRP connection if you have access. Once you receive the token, you paste it into the Keydiy tool. If everything matches, the gateway unlocks successfully. After that, you follow the same steps for the instrument cluster. The tool will show you the cluster VIN. You send that VIN to the same third party, wait for the calculated token, and paste it into the device. The cluster SFD will unlock too. Just make sure you remember this part. After unlocking both the gateway and the cluster, you get around 90 minutes to perform your operations. After those 90 minutes, your token expires and you'll need a fresh one. Think of it like a parking ticket that says valid until a specific time. No matter how much you argue, the car will not drive itself out of the restriction. Once the gateway and cluster are unlocked, you can proceed with key learning on a 2024 Porsche or any supported MLB model using the Keydiy KD-X4. The process becomes straightforward because the tool now has access to all required immobilizer data and adaptation functions. And speaking of straightforward, here is the joke I promised. Some technicians joke that SFD stands for sorry for delays, because without the token, your work really does stop right there. But once you unlock it, everything flows smoothly like a freshly serviced gearbox. So back to the big question from the beginning. Can the Keydiy KD-X4 unlock the SFD gateway and the SFD cluster? The answer is yes, absolutely yes, as long as you have a valid third-party token. From my side, I think this unlock option in Keydiy is extremely helpful, especially for technicians who deal with modern VAG and Porsche systems daily. It removes the dependency on heavier dealership tools and gives a practical solution you can use anywhere. I would love to know what you think. Have you tried unlocking SFD on any MLB models yet? Share your experience or questions. Before we wrap up, here's a small fact that might surprise you. Many technicians do not realize the SFD system was first introduced to prevent unauthorized retrofits and security bypasses. But today, it has simply become a part of normal diagnostics. If this video from Baabji Motors helped you in any way, do support us. Let us aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Drop your thoughts, hype this video, and if you want more powerful guides like this, make sure you subscribe. Your support keeps this channel alive and allows us to bring deeper, more helpful content for you. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, happy diagnosing.